13.7, 13.8.
We should be good.
Uh-oh. There he is, making funny noises.
You gonna go in the back, Malcolm?
Yep.
You want to get out and stop him over there, and then you can stop him at the corner? Because we got to go up the street the wrong way.
Yep, 10-4. Okay. You need to get out ahead of him, Misty. We need to, you need to lead him down Old Church there, so he can go down the opposite lane there. There's a median.
Alright, I'm going to take a left and stop traffic over there.
Yeah, you'll see after you make the turn on Old Church, you're going to have to stop him so he can take that other lane there.
Oh, I see it. There's a ton of traffic here, so I'm going to let as much go as possible and then stop them.
You're good.
Alright, I'm going to stop him now, but there's a big line there. If he can come, I got them stopped up here.
We got to wait for the light over here.
Alright, I'm going to let him go then. Go ahead.
How many more you got, man?
At the stop sign there by the median, that's it. I can stop him now. You guys coming?
Yeah, hold them up.
Okay, I'm holding them up.
Yeah, you gotta stop him or we'll never get through this turn here.
You guys are going to take a left onto Old Church. Okay, I got him stopped.
You're good back here.
There's a cop up here. I don't know what's going on. Someone directing traffic.
Oh, that's just for the school.